Ghumar, as the videos are coming in, people are just dancing to it all across the world.
Every day one video comes out of 2 youngsters or 3 youngsters or 10 youngsters dancing. Yeah. And I watch very, very seriously. I watch each and every one of them and say, this one is very good, this one is okay. The Khali Bali people are liking a lot. Binte Dil, when the album came out,
Binte Dil
was the one that just
really
took
good,
off.
Yeah. As I was telling you a short while back, I was speaking to Shahid Kapoor a few days back, and he said that Mr. Bhansali, the filmmaker, he's having this amazing aura that somehow the Sanjay Bhansali, the music composer, it gets slightly diluted and it does not maybe get that sort of attention. But he's an outstanding music composer. Your songs are being loved, sir. Ghumar, as the videos are coming in, people are just dancing to it all across the world. I think the picturization is simply phenomenal. I don't know how you managed to do it. Deepika is looking amazing.
I shot the song after 1.5 months of the set waiting because the actor was not available. Mehboob Studio, 1.5 months. So there was a lot of anger in me. So that's why the song was turned out very good.
Okay, so Deepika was doing something else. Right, so if you can tell us something about your music and the way the music is being received. The picturization is beautiful. I think the music is simply outstanding.
I just made this song while I was having a bath one day, and this song came out. Diwani Mastani. A lot of songs come when I'm having a bath. The song just starts coming in the minute the soap goes on, and then I start singing. A lot of these songs have emerged in complete silence, in complete quietness, but it happens spontaneously. A song comes, I don't take ये कौन से राग में जाएगा, राग तो आता नहीं है, सा से रे आता नहीं है, जो आता है वो जो सुना है, whatever I've heard over the years, and I listen to a lot of music to the point that if somebody had heard that music that much music would have had a problem with the ear. But it's that crazy the amount of music I've heard, all kinds of music. That's why I live. I don't live because my heart is beating. I live because there is music in the ears. That is the only reason my soul is alive. So music is everything for me. So अगर वो गाना मुझे लगता है कि ये situation के लिए if I have to make a song and ask another music director to come and do it, I might lose in translation what I want, how I want, where I want. So I would start making my own songs from Guzarish onwards. I enjoyed making Ghumar a lot. I enjoyed making Khali Bali. It just happened that I would say, Turas bhai, kuch likh ke do. So the minute he would give me the song, I would start singing. Right. So there is no thought. And those are the songs that have been kept. Then I would make 3 other tunes for it, but it would never be the same. Right. So वो पहला वाला जो दिल से निकला वो दिल से निकला. Because I firmly believe that no artist should take. I keep repeating, and I will keep repeating 10 times more in the interview. That do not take yourself seriously. Don't say I'm doing research, I'm going to go in a hole. I went into a dark space and I thought of something. फिर मैंने तानपुरा खाली लगाया सुर और फिर मैंने एक गाना आया. Don't give me all this crap and this nonsense. The best musicians, the best singers are क्या रियाज ज़रूरी है, तो सोच ज़रूरी है. But इतना भी उसको homework और research करो, अपने आप को preparation कर, then I have to go to psychiatrist and all that crap I don't want to listen to. Right. I don't buy that. So it should be spontaneous. It should just come out of you. So my songs are simple because I don't know too much music. They're simple compositions, so people sing them easily. Right. So if I can sing, you can sing, she can sing, so they all start singing it. Right. So Ghumar is just, every day one video comes out of 2 youngsters or 3 youngsters or 10 youngsters dancing. Yeah. And I watch, very, very seriously, I watch each and every one of them and say, this one is very good, this one is okay. The Khali Bali people are liking a lot. Binte Dil, when the album came out, Binte Dil was the one that just took off. Yeah. So I thought, Binte Dil is just for tripping, I'm just tripping. Abhi kisko Binte Dil misriya mein kusko samajh mein kya aayega. But people just connected because it's Arijit's magic, the way he sang it, the tune is ordinary.
Ek Dil Ek Jaan bhi as well, sir.
Wo bhi. That's one of my favorites. But, and it's a new boy singing, so... it's very nice. I enjoy doing music. I enjoy shooting music. I shoot my songs with great love, great care. I give it all the time and I don't rush, and I'll shoot a song about 12 days, 15 days. Productions dancing on the other side of the floor and saying budget. Oh no, I'm on the floor now. Bunk it all. Just do what comes to your heart. And I don't want to lose that opportunity of shooting this song. I'll never shoot this song ever again in my life again. So what I'm doing, I want to give it my best. You're imprinting it in time. It's now there for a lifetime. Now either you do it correctly or you don't do it. 100%. So I don't believe.
Right. So performances are outstanding. You're having some brilliant performances. Be it Shahid as Rajarathan Singh, and Deepika is looking phenomenal. She's Ranveer has given, I think, I personally feel this is his best performance as Khilji. I think it's a very, very strong character that he's having. Jim Saab is excellent as well. What are your thoughts on the performances when you look at them now, sir?
I love my actors.
Right.
I respect my actors. I give them beautiful parts to play. The foundation is made on the paper when screenplay by Prakash Bhai writes and dialogue he writes. So I give them on a platter a role which is something that they've never done before, which is something that they've never ventured into certain areas in their mind or space.
Right.
And I give them all the facilities, all the space within the daira of saying, you have to listen to me, you can't have your own interpretation, so they have to listen to me, but they get the space to do also and add to it. And I feel the actors, those moments when we spend a lot of time on the set to come to a point, discuss this moment will emerge, this moment will arrive. So we wait for that moment to arrive in the actor. An actor should be ready to be able to say, now I'll do the moment. So even if it means waiting for a day, and not shooting down the day that it is being scheduled for, I will still wait for another day. Having said that, I don't think at the end of the schedule they would add another day because we've invested one day, because actors don't adjust dates very easily. And they do not understand that if the director has given me the day, I should also give 1 day more.
Bilkul, 100%.
But having said that, yes, I will give them that day to come to that moment. I want them to live that moment as honestly as they can.
Right.
So that is the facility, that's the love I give them. And I work with talented people, they love acting, they are wonderful stars, they are wonderful actors, not only stars. Jim Saab and Aditi and
Aditi is outstanding.
all of them. Raza Saab, who's my favorite. So all of them are wonderful actors. So you just have to give them good parts and good roles, and they're ready to play it.
Right. A lot of curiosity on what are you doing next, sir?
I don't know, but I want to go to the studio as fast as possible. I feel my mind is ready to make. It's speaking in its the cinematic part of the mind is speaking. It is really thinking correctly. It is really spontaneously hitting the right notes. It is feeling very correct. It's very important that you work so many years and then you say, how do I connect? Because I want to search for excellence. I've never worked for money, or never worked for name or fame, or I'm not interested in interviews or anywhere reaching out. I don't like all that. But I am doing this interview because I like you. I like what you write. I feel there is something about you. So I'm sitting and doing this interview with you.
Thank you, sir.
Not that many people would like it at all. Let's say, but I feel I'm ready to do some of the best work from now on. I have just realized I'm started now. I've found something in me which is going to say, yeah, now you're ready to make films that you've always kept in your list of most ambitious films to make, and you will one day make them. I feel I'm now ready to do it.
Great.
So let's hope something good, something soon, but I just pray something very, very fast.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful to hear, actually. It's a pleasure talking to you, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
You've emerged a hero in every sense of the word, both on screen and off screen as well. So thank you very much, sir.
God bless.
Thank you. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.